I wanted to repaint the fence with wood preserver, but I didn't want to get splashes of wood preserver on the concrete posts or on the concrete barge boards. Also, to paint the back of the fence was a bit of a problem because of my next door neighbour's garage, the garden shed, and the shrubs and trees backing onto the fence. What I wanted to do was remove the panels, take them away to another area, paint the preservative and then put the fence panels back. This is how I did it. I made a hoist, and this is the painting area for painting on the wood preserver, and then this is the fence, and this is the panel that's got to come out. The other panels have been done. Concrete post, it's got a channel in it, so the fence panel has got to be lifted clear of that channel. So we fit an upright. This is the right hand upright. They are handed, these uprights. Clamp it to the concrete post. Now do the same with the left hand upright. Clamp it to the concrete post. Now fit the crossbar and fix it, but not too tight, so it allows some movement. Now hook on the block and tackle, and we're ready to lift the top section of the hoist into position. Bolt the two sections together so they're nice and firm. Now bring down the block and tackle, put the spreader bar on top of the fence, and using ratchet clamps, clamp the spreader bar to the top of the fence. Now we're ready to lift the fence. Lift it up about 300mm, about 12 inches in old money, and then make off the rope and then fit some clamps to the bottom of the uprights. This will make it nice and secure. Fix the clamps on both sides. Once the clamps have been fitted, release the rope and then start pulling the panel up out of the channel of the concrete post. Once the panel is clear of the concrete post, pull it forward slightly and then gently lower it to the ground. Take off the ratchet clamps and the panel is ready to be moved. And take it away. This is the panel that's been painted with preserver and it's ready to go back. Reattach the spreader bar using the ratchet clamps. And start lifting the panel up. Once the panel is above the concrete posts, you've got to engage the panel into the channels of the posts on both sides. And once it's engaged, gently lower the panel back down to just above the lower clamps. Make off the rope now remove the two lower clamps. And then finish lowering the panel back into position. Take off the ratchet clamps. Disconnect the upper section from the lower section and lower it down. Take off the crossbar and the block and tackle, and the next thing is to take the uprights away. Retrieve your clamps, and that's it, job done. Cheers.